Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Thursday, March 18th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a Reddit stock market. I looked into the stock market indices movements, discussed a dividend-paying retailer, and dug into why a pet insurance provider stock is still worth our attention even after a significant price drop. Thursday turned out to be a red day for the stock market, and the Nasdaq index had it the worst. It finished the day down by more than 3%. The usual new jobless claims report came out today, and it surprised investors with an unexpected 770,000 new claims. Investors were expecting better numbers since the reopening of the economy seems to be on track. Moreover, the 10-year Treasury yield spiked once again and added more fear to the market. It seems investors don't believe that the Fed doesn't plan to raise interest rates for at least another year or two, and the market is swinging as per such sentiment. Hey stock guardians, before jumping into today's winners and losers of stocks, I want to offer you 3 months complimentary VIP access to StockCard if you are a new investor. If you haven't yet picked any stocks or have been actively investing only in the last few months, let's say since the start of 2021, I'd like to chat with you. You and I will discuss how you research your stocks and chat about the main questions you'd like to get answered when researching stocks in the first few months. As a thank you, I'll upgrade your account to a VIP plan for 3 months. If you are interested, you can book a time with me using the Chat with our CEO calendar. I leave a link in the show notes. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. On today's winners list, check out Williams-Sonoma, ticker WSM, up by 18%. I always assumed Williams-Sonoma is among the dying breed of retailers, but look at its stock card. It has solid operations, and it's the stock that has overperformed the market. Sales are growing, and it has profitable and cash-generating operations. Interesting. Very interesting. Who knew? It seems the company announced its latest quarterly earnings report last night, and it had an excellent quarter. While analysts question how long the company can keep up such excellent growth, I noticed it also increased its dividend yield. Going back to the company's stock card and clicking on the dividend section, I like what I'm seeing. Williams-Sonoma is a good dividend-paying stock I have personally neglected until now. The 3% drop in the Nasdaq index meant quite drastic declines for some of my favorite stocks. Check out Square, down by more than 8%, Market Access, down by 2%, and the Trade Desk, down by 9%, to name a few. But the most significant drop for me today was a 13% decline in Trupanion's stock price, ticker TRUP. Beyond the overall market sentiment and the possibility of sizable institutional investor cashing out, nothing has changed about Trupanion's status and operations. In its previous quarterly earnings report, the company disappointed Wall Street by showing a loss, and it seems today's drop is a continuation of the same negative sentiment, perhaps fueled by the overall market's negative trend. But if you look up the company's stock card, you'd see revenue is growing rapidly and its operations generate free cash flow. That's what you'd expect from a growing company. To better understand why I'm bullish about this company and focus on its cash-generating operations so much, let's take a look at one page from its latest investor presentation. From every average subscriber, Trupanion generates $7 cash per month after its expenses. Trupanion's pet insurance business model works. I already own shares, and I may be adding more shares when the market opens tomorrow. The only piece left for me is to confirm the reason behind today's stock price drop is the overall market sentiment or potentially a large institutional investor who has decided to cash out. If it's only based on such reasons, this is an excellent chance to pick up some Trupanion shares and add to my portfolio. As always, if you'd like to give stock card a try, research as many stocks that you want, and receive a stock pick ideas from successful investors, sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code Roll with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today, folks. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.